are falling, women, children, missionaries too. Families shattered without warning, not knowing what to do. A child keeps asking for their father, but he may never return. A wife still waits beside the doorway for the husband for whom she yearns. Every night the sound of bullets makes the little children shake. Booming blasts and endless sorrow, how much more can hearts take? Lord, have mercy on our land. Hear the cries of broken souls. Wipe the tears from every child. Make our wounded nation whole. Gunfire steals the sleep of children. Darkness fills the silent sky. Jesus, save our broken homeland.